On today's episode of Lakestone Love, we are recapping on a meeting with the mason and the contractor to discuss the design of the fireplace on our covered porch. I really had a hard time finalizing my design for this space, and Carter helped me with it initially, and then I kind of went back and changed it again. I wanted the proportions to be just right because really as you walk into our house and through our formal living room, it's like right there through the glass doors in the family room. So it's a space that's really going to be seen a lot whether we want it to or not. That now is the outside edge of the butt end brick.
So this outside edge is where the outside edge of the butt brick starts, right?
Yes.
So that would be something like this.
And then this just goes
three-sided.
up. And then maybe at the top, would it look good to have just one? Because, okay, so Corbett, you wouldn't wrap your crown around there. The crown's gonna kill into the sides.
Yeah.
Or would it wrap the face of the brick? Then we just have a soldier course of brick at the top. And
Yeah,
then,
just a soldier.
And then have this part just go up and meet that and run across the top of it?
I think that's just for your TV. You're just picture framing that for your TV.
And unfortunately, TV above the fireplace is the only option out there. And this is a space Chester really will enjoy, and it's important to him. And he wants to have a TV so he can watch, the Masters Sunday outside, and all the other times he wants to watch football outside while he's grilling. The TV is going to be there, and I have researched thousands of ways to hide a TV above an outdoor fireplace. And even like in our current house, we have a TV that actually pops out and up from a cabinet that's underneath a countertop on our outdoor fireplace. That worked amazingly, but this situation does not set up for that because we don't have any cabinets. We just have one fireplace that comes up through the covered porch, and I didn't want to change that configuration or add to it and bulk it up because I like the openness behind it, and the landscaping plan has really driven my desire to keep it open both left and right of the fireplace. So it's there, the TV is going to be above it. So now I'm just really caught up in the details of the masonry and the brickwork in order to add interest and have a really classic traditional design and have it be beautiful. I was thinking that herringbone would
Go all the way up. Oh, okay.
Because then if I box in perfect for this TV, which is what I want to do, I know I can't because then the TV's going to break, and then it's going to be like round TVs are in now, and we don't have a round hole.
Gotcha.
And then I have to pay you again.
There's a round.
I'm just saying, like, as soon as I build a perfect box for this TV, like, it's gonna be like, okay, everybody's getting triangle TVs now.
Gotcha. All right.
And then I'm gonna be paying you
I was
to
like,
come fix it.
you make round TVs? I don't know about.
And then at the same time, a TV is going to be there, and I love the look when the TV is like perfectly recessed in the brick, but I know that is not practical. When you have a TV outdoors, even if it's a special outdoor TV, which they charge a huge upcharge to make, it's still something that will have to be replaced. And TV sizes are changing, so it just doesn't make sense to have it work directly around the TV. Circling back, I think the final design, you can see kind of where the design started, and then when this is complete, I'll show you the final design because we didn't redraw it on paper. We talked it out and drew it on the framing out on the job site.
If we went 9 inches, that's the end of your first quarter, 3/4. Because it's 3-inch brick, right? So that's...
What it's going to be is a brick hearth. The top of the hearth will be bluestone. Then the brick will continue up, and we have a detail around the opening of the fireplace. The interior fire brick will be the thin size fire brick in a herringbone pattern. Then we've got 2 rows of corbelled brick above the soldier course above the fireplace opening. And atop the 2 rows of corbelled brick, we'll have a bluestone mantle. So it'll be really clean and classic. And then starting directly above the bluestone mantle, I want there to be kind of the butt of the bricks kind of going up and around to create a frame, and having that frame start right on the top of the hearth. So it's almost like if it were like an over mantle mirror. It looks like it sits on the mantle and goes up from there. And then the brick inside the recessed area will again repeat the same size and herringbone pattern that you see inside the firebox. So that'll connect the pieces. And then we added a really fun detail at the top. There will be crown molding that comes in on the sides. And then at the top we did another soldier course of brick. So it adds just a really nice detail there. So I'm really excited about it. again, I always say it, but details matter, and just putting a little bit, well, a lot bit of extra thought and care into the design of this fireplace, I know it will pay off for us for years to come. So I'm really excited about that. And as for the TV, it is just going to go above the mantle. It'll be mounted and it'll be inside of the herringbone pattern, but it's not going to cover up too much or too little of it. It'll just look like it's meant to be there.
Okay, so that goes, so that,
Actually, it would be really cool,
so that goes all the way up,
And so that would go,
but dives into, and then comes over, and then down.
And
then
there's
there's
a
a soldier
soldier
course
course
above that.
Yeah.
And does that soldier course carry all the way around? Okay.
you think it'll look good?
Yeah.
So after today's meeting, I'm feeling much better about the outdoor fireplace. I can put it to bed. With this process, like it is with any new construction project, each time you have a selections category or an elevation that's being designed, just having it finalized and passed off all the information to the appropriate trade, and that means that I'm out for a little while. I'm done, and that just feels really good.